what's up everyone? It's Dave here, and I just wanted to do a real quick video of my dash cam. I dropped my son off at school yesterday morning, and then on my way out, I just wanted to, it's thankful that we have dash cams like this, because if this car would have actually hit the other car, I would have stayed and provided some sort of, testimony or whatever, because just because you have a green light doesn't mean you can turn left, all right? Watch and see what I'm talking about. So one of the reasons why I wanted to share this is this happened to me like a month ago, and I actually stopped the driver and had a chat with them. It's actually one of my soldiers. But anyways, pay attention to the lights, you guys. Like, just because you have a green light, right, doesn't mean that you can turn left. There's a certain thing called right of way. And if you don't know what that is, maybe you need to go back into your driver's manuals and study a little bit more, all right? So if you were sitting at a light and you are wanting to turn left, you do not automatically have the right of way, even though your light is green, okay? Pay attention to the traffic around you. It's very important. It could help save a life. And thankfully, nothing happened here, but I just wanted to share this. It's important. It's why I always have a dash cam. All right? Thanks for watching.
When life keeps falling and wonder where he is in all this mess, he's right there to guide you, unseen you're not